Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here unboxing Ipsy Glam bag for May. This month's theme is Flower Power, which I think comes through on the bag. Very pretty. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, this is a monthly beauty subscription. This is their smallest version. It's $12. You do get 5 sample size, deluxe size, travel size, and some full size items. Anyway, they do send this to me for review. I do have an idea of what's in here because they do send me the Glam Bag Plus, which I've also unboxed on my channel if you're interested in checking that out. Because I have to separate everything and make sure it's from the right bag or box or whatever, I know what's in here. So I didn't look too closely at this one though, to be honest, because it was in the bag and I just counted and was like, all right, that makes sense. So we're gonna get in here, look at everything. I will link down below to Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. They do send this to me for review, but there's no affiliate links or anything like that, so no worries, girls. I think that's everything. I'll also link to my blog where we'll go in depth and all that good stuff. All right, so let's open it up. It's pink inside, and then it has the Ipsy stamp. All right, first off, we have, this is from Tula Skincare. This is the Instant Facial Skin Reviving Treatment Pads. So these polish and exfoliate for smoother, brighter looking skin with probiotics and superfoods. There are 2 packages of those. That's nice. Tula is in Ipsy bags a lot. So, all right, next up we have from Olaplex. This is their number 3, repairs and strengthens all hair types. Oh, cool. Is it like a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner? Use once a week, so it is like a mask. For damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week, apply on damp. I'm actually excited to try this. I've always wanted to try Olaplex, and because everybody says such amazing things about it, and I have really dry hair. Sorry. I don't know if it's allergies or a little cold. I got some stuff going on here. Anyway, I'm excited to try this, so that's cool. All right, next up we have from House Laboratories. This is a new, like, kind of a, I don't know, not partnership, but they've been including a lot of the House products in their boxes. If you're not aware, you probably are, but maybe not. House is Lady Gaga's line that she sells, I believe, exclusively on Amazon. This is the second product I've received from the line. The first was, oh, what is this? I didn't even look. This is the Gunmetal Glam Attack Metallic Cream. Ooh, look at the packaging, is really cool. It looks like the National Monument. I say that because I lived in DC. Well, I lived in Northern Virginia for a long time. I think you guys know that though. I think I've said that a bunch on my channel. So there it is. Oh, I've seen this. I remember seeing this when it first came out, the reviews on it. Look, it goes on, by the way, so evenly. Like, it's not patchy at all. It has the cool, like, flash, like that. I don't know the right word for it. It's shiny though, but we'll see how quick it dries down. I think that's really cool. I like the color. All right, next. This is from Kinship, who is another product that I've been seeing in my Ipsy boxes lately and had never heard of them before. This is their probiotic moisturizing sunscreen. Oh, neat. So this is self-reflecting. Ooh, interesting. It's clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and dermatologist tested. It is a small, oh, I'm actually really excited. Hey buddy, what's going on here? I have like a silver thing on me and I don't like that. Yikes. All right. There was another line called Bare Republic, which I did a whole range review a couple of years ago. And I remember thinking their stuff was really cool. It smells almondy, like nutty kind of, but I don't see a lot of reflective properties. But whatever, it's a sunscreen. It's a cute package. I like the little rainbow. All right, last item. This is from the Beauty Crop, another brand I see a lot in my Ipsy boxes. Maybe they're really popular. I don't actually shop for makeup. I don't have to because I have so much stuff. This is the Stuck On You Eye Primer. Ooh. So the packaging is super cute, right? It's super cute. I would say this is a full size. I'm just guessing, but it looks like a full size to me. It has a little tub. Ooh, this is cute. Let's see. Let's see if I can ever get it open. The packaging here is really cute too. All right, let's see. Less tacky than you'd imagine, but it goes on like a nice, gives it that good like kind of a, it's less tacky than I'd imagine, but it's still, you can tell it's going to hold on to the color and the pigment, which is really nice. It's a cruelty-free brand as well. All right, so for your $12, you do get your eye primer, your sunscreen. I was going to say self tanner. The house this guy, look, and it dried down, by the way, and it's not going anywhere, FYI. It does rub off though, so it might, depending on how you do it, it might kind of what's the dang word called? Transfer. That's it. Then there is also this Olaplex and a Tula skincare. So it's a great box. If you're interested in checking them out and you're a girl on a budget, this is definitely something you're going to want to look into. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.